Hello, everyone. Welcome to the 15th episode of What's New Atrangi. We are showcasing today diamond bracelets, karas, small earrings, few pendant sets. A lot of you have been asking us for pendant sets. So today is that day where we are showing minimalistic pendant sets, small earrings, karas. Hi everyone, I'm Vidushi, the co-founder of Atrangi. Hello, Bhavika. Hi. I'm so glad that every one of you are here and so excited to see our pieces. We get so many DMs about it. Yes, I'll show 3-4 of tennis bracelets as well. So now we have a good number of people to begin with. Let's begin the live now. So this is the first tray of karas that I'm showing you guys. This is a very new design where it's like flower petals. It's adjustable. You can adjust it, press it. It will become according to your size. We have these two colors, emerald and rubies in this. So we are going to get all of these pieces in Chennai as well. Few in like Monday or Tuesday time, you should get it in these Chennai. I'm from Bombay. This is also a kara which is again adjustable. It has a very tiny diamonds with baguette stones in between. It's a very different kind of design. I'll do this live very quickly so that all of you can see all the designs quickly. Again, this is a little broader, thicker kara in not in openable. This comes in one size only. Again with small diamonds. This kara is again adjustable. This is for 3250. It has again, if you can see, small diamonds with like this beautiful Van Cleef design that you can see for 3250. This is a very nice piece. Like if you just wear this in one hand with again small pairs around it, and a small, this is again a cluster of diamonds, pair cluster of diamonds. It's adjustable again. So if you wear this in one hand, you're just sorted to wear on your outfits, any of your functions. This is again a very pretty design, different baguette designs in pairs, emeralds, diamond shape, all of these guys. So this is again adjustable for those of you who are asking. This is for 3250. This is one of my favorite design. This is in pair design again, pairs in middle and tiny diamonds on this side for the border. This is adjustable, so like smaller size people can definitely buy this, where they ask us for like adjustable design so that they can wear in their thin hands for the connection. Yeah, so this is in adjustable. This is in gold polish, this is in silver polish. Both these two are in one design in different kind of polishes. This comes in again like tiny diamonds. We give a lot of tiny diamond looks so that a lot of people ask for real looking sort of pieces. So what we believe is the more tiny pieces that you wear, it looks more real. And the stone, also the American diamonds that we talk about, also looks very real. This is again openable. This comes in one size, so 2.4 openable will fit till 2.6 also. So this is there. Then if any of you want me to wear any particular kara, please let me know. I will also wear 1-2 of these. This is again one of my favorite. It's diamond pieces with small diamonds on the sides and baguettes in between. This is a very smart piece. You can wear it for western, anything. You can DM us for our any of the prizes if you want to know, for pictures, videos. You can DM us, WhatsApp us. This we're going to upload soon on the website. This is for 2950. This is again a very smart piece. You can wear it for like any of the cocktail parties. Adjustable from behind. Very tiny pieces of pairs, so that you get an idea of the quality of diamonds. That the main purpose of doing the live is to show you live qualities. It's e-commerce, it's online. This is again in like diamond. We have a thick kara in this on website. Now we thought that worked really well in this, in pair design again. This is openable. This behind is like this. So So this was the tray. If any of you all want to take a quick look, a quick screenshot, and if you want to ask for any particular piece, quickly take a screenshot and you can like DM us. These pieces are not there on the website, so you can just WhatsApp us, DM us. We'll help you out with photos, videos, prices, orders, everything. This particular piece I will wear and show it to you for one of the person who just asked me to wear it. Chaya will help me out. So this is how further I can just make it thinner further. So this is how it is looking on a hand. Okay, moving ahead, I'll show you the next tray. This is again a very different kind of design. If you can see with the emeralds, I have this in different colors. The making of this is really pretty. It's really nice. It's very in like in real looking designs as well. So this is again one of my favorite, since it's a very different kind of piece and you can wear it behind the watch. On the other hand, this is in ruby color, this is in champagne color, this is for 3250 guys, this is in black color. Yeah, so there are these four, and also I have it in purple color. So there are these kind of pieces that are there. Now this design, actually we had it earlier, it worked really well. Now we have got it back in again to see how the response is. We have sold this quite a bit online, offline, both places. This is for 2350 with very real looking like emeralds in between. I have these in rubies. This is how the back is, this is how the clasp is, so you can wear it on your own. This is in blue and this is in multicolor stones. Very thin, like you can wear it again with the watch. On the other hand, it looks really well. If you want to make a stack out of it, you can do that as well. This is in pearls in between. A lot of you have asked us about pearl bracelets to get those kind of pearls, kada bracelets in for our website. We have one of this now. If any of you like it, please take a screenshot. This is adjustable from behind. You can press it and it will be like good for your wrist size. You can increase it however you want. This can be done. Then moving ahead, so this was the tray that I showed you in this was mostly everything was in colored. Now I'll show you in this. You can again take a quick screenshot of any particular design if you're liking. I will start with this particular bracelet. This is again a really smart piece. You can wear it for Western, Indian, Indo-Western, anything, cocktail. It is a very minimalistic and very smart kind of piece. This opens like this, and I'll just wear it and show it to you. This is how it is. So this is openable. This is this is good for 2.4, 2.5, 2.6 kind of a size, and it looks really nice. Again, this is a little thinner version of that. That was a more spread out version. This is in baguette, again emeralds. So a lot of you have asked us about emeralds. You can take a screenshot, guys. Please do WhatsApp us, DM us about this. This is an oval shape, again in clustered of diamonds, baguettes. Clustered of diamonds is there on the side, thin diamonds, and it again opens like this so that you can wear it on your own. Then moving ahead, that was oval shape. This is in pear shape. Again, it opens like this and it shuts like this. If you want any opening, closing, behind, back photos, videos, we are very happy to help you out in this kind of pieces. So this is in two different kind of shapes, in oval, in emerald. Again, a very smart piece, you can just wear it with a watch. I'll show you one wearing with a watch so that you understand maybe this piece which is already there. See, it looks so smart if you just wear it with a silver watch maybe. So one of you wrote it, you're more convinced with the way I'm wearing it and the way I'm showing you how to wear it, and then it looks better. So then let me try and do it more for a few of them. This is again one of my favorite and very dainty, minimalistic kind of pearls, kind of bracelet. This again opens like this. I'm showing you opening mechanisms so that you understand how this kind of bracelet works in terms of if you want to wear it again. Arrange. Then what we can do is, this is in pear shaped with minimalistic diamonds on the side in pair. There are 3 pairs, but we have kept 3 pairs so that it looks kind of real, and few diamonds and this on the side, on behind. Then there is this in oval shape, again clustered of diamonds here. Then moving ahead, I'll show you this one. This is again one of my favorite. This kind of design we already had on our website, which worked really well. Now we've got a different version of that. And this is again in clustered diamonds, emeralds, to give a real sort of looking look. This is a different shape. This kind of ring we had, which worked really well offline actually. Now this kind of bracelet also, I'm sure this will work really well, since it's again very minimalistic, in pear shaped. Then I'll show you this one, which the opening is like this, in emeralds pieces, in small diamonds. Then this is a very interesting piece. This is in pearl and in a baguette setting here. This is in adjustable. It's a very smart piece. This particular piece, again, I'll wear it and show it to you. So this is how this works, and you can adjust it. Achha, can you adjust it for me from behind? Yeah. So it looks like, proper according to your wrist size. You can make it a little bigger also, so that it comes according to your wrist size. So there is no size issues with all of these pieces. This is again in 2.4 size, openable, so that you can wear it till like whoever is 2.4, 2.5, 2.6 should work really well, since it's openable. Even 2.3 can wear. This is in emeralds, baguette pieces. Tiny diamonds. This is again interesting. I don't know if I showed you this. Yeah, in minimalistic. This again opens like this. This piece is there, again very interesting piece. It's like, your inspired kind of bracelet, but not really inspired, in pears and emeralds. Yes, I'm going to come, Mohita. I'm just going to come on earrings soon. I'm just finishing this tray, and then I'm going to show you the earrings. This is in again bracelets. It opens like this, and a very interesting piece, small diamonds. This is again in small diamonds. You can again wear this particular piece with a watch. It looks really well, with the watch, or in the other hand, it looks like, dressy. This is in different shape, adjustable, in emerald. This is for 2350, and the pieces are in emerald shape, baguette settings. Then this piece is there with again emerald baguette setting in between. Small diamonds in between, so that to give a little designer look and real looking. This is again a very interesting piece, like looks like a leaf in a butterfly. Very pretty. And it's openable. So again, it's a 2.4 size openable. This particular tray, please, if you guys really like any kind of piece video, you can take a screenshot. I'm just showing the entire tray, so that you guys can take the screenshot of anything that you like. Moving on, I'll just show again the earrings, and then few bracelets are left, then I'll show that. So these are the particular very tiny minimalistic kind of earrings. We thought, let's just see the response, how we are getting, since a lot of you have asked for tiny earrings with colored stones. So these are different kind of colored stones that are there in pink, green, blue, black, purple, yellow, pink, and all white. So this is also very interesting. These are for 1650. It again looks really well, like, any of the colors that you wear again with your Indo-Western outfits, or office going, like, even in office, this kind of pieces, colors look really cool. Then I'll show you this stud. One second. So this particular stud is there, which has like triangular connection is going. Yeah. So this is in gold polish, and this is there in silver polish. Very, very lightweight, very dainty looking. It is very smart. Like, if you wear this, you're good to go for dinner, or like for any party. This is again a very tiny, small, tiny flower petal earrings for 1850. These have pearls in the middle. So people who love pearls, these kind of earrings will go like for office wear. Again, it looks really nice. It is for 2150. Then there is this different kind of shape here with a heart, round pear. People who love hearts, I think this is a very, very nice piece in gold polish. I have it in silver polish as well. So this is there. A lot of you have asked us about gold polish. So this is there in gold and silver both. Then these are again flower earrings with invisible settings in blue, green, ruby. These are for 3250. These are very high quality sort of invisible setting diamonds, if you can see, in green and pink. And this flower is for 1950. So the 3D flower earrings that we have, this is a very small, like, one part of the earrings that is there. This is for 1950. This again, we have on website a smaller version of this. This is a slightly bigger version of that. A lot of you had asked us about those kind of earrings in bigger version. That also sell really well for us. So we thought might as well try this kind of earrings. This is for 1950. This is again there in gold and silver polish with emeralds, hearts and pearls. People who love pearls. So this again, you can take a screenshot of whichever kind of piece you're liking, however, and we are happy to help you with photos, pictures. I'll show you now pendants. So these kind of heart pendants are really in right now. Even I think Radhika Merchant had worn for one of her outfits for pre-wedding. So obviously that was a bigger size. This is a relatively small size. We have this in silver, gold, rose gold, all three options in this if you like it. These are three different pieces if any of you think that these are attached together. But even if you want attached together, we can do that. But as of now, this is these are individual pieces. Then moving ahead, this is for 1950. Moving ahead, I'll show you this kind of pendant set. This is again three different pendant sets. We can do it all one. But these three different pendant sets, this is a small diamond, medium and a large one. And all these have individual earrings as well. So this has this one. And small and medium earrings are also there. This is in rose gold polish. This is the one that I'm wearing right now and I am really liking this in silver, gold and rose gold. Again, all three are different. If you want individual, together in one piece, we can do that. This is in a triangular shaped round pendant set in gold, rose gold and silver. These have earrings as well. These are the pendant sets that we have. So the rose gold one that I showed you, we have it in gold and silver as well. Short quickly if you like any of these, and if you want a own picture or anything, we are happy to help you with all of those things. These are particularly in rose gold polish. I hardly showed before any rose gold polish bracelet. This is a little, thick kada for like a wedding or a function if you want to wear. This is a thicker kada again. This is the last tray, guys. About the sale, as of now, we don't have any sale and we have not planned anything as of now. But these pieces, whichever pieces that we are putting on live, most of these are on sale as of now. We do the launch prices and then we'll do the actual prices. So if you want to order anything, we can do discounts on this, which is already on discounted prices that I'm mentioning. Okay, so this is a rose gold polish. This is again, I'm quickly showing you the last tray, pearl bracelet. This is an emerald. We have one kind of design on website on this that worked really well. This is the other kind of bracelet. This again is like, for your wedding. If you like it, just please take a screenshot. So these, and this is the one, the kada. These are all openable, 2.4 openable size, 2.5, 2.6 will fit really well. Okay, these four tennis bracelets are there as of now that we are showing you. So this is a double line tennis bracelet in princess cut for 2950. You have already seen a single tennis bracelet on our website. Now, because we got amazing response on that, we made this in double line in case any of you like wearing like a little heavier version of that. This is in colored, sorry, this one. This one is in color and in pink, orange, blue. It's a very, very pretty one. Sorry, one of you asked, can you please wear the kada? First kada in top. I don't know if you're talking about this. Then I'll just wear it. Can you open this, Chaya? And this is in gold polish. In the double line, if you can see, the lock is like this. And this is in silver polish. So just last piece, one of you asked us to wear the kada. I'll just show you. This is how it is. This is for perfect for 2.6, 2.4, 2.5. Little bigger for me, but this is how it looks. Yeah. So now quickly, guys, I'll just show you the last pieces again. If you all want to take a screenshot quickly, photo, video, anything, please do DM us, WhatsApp us. Anything that you are liking, any screw bag photo you want, any openable kada, any worn photo, pendant sets, worn photo, length, anything that you like. We are very, very happy to help you out. I am Vidushi. Thank you so much for attending our live. This was great. Thank you so much for interaction on every pieces. We are really grateful for each one of you. Thank you. This was episode number 15 of What's New Atrangi.